Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to use place value to describe the values of digits in numbers to 1,000. Okay. Boys and girls, here is the word problem. There are 245 sheets of colored paper in the supply closet. What will our quick picture look like for 245? Let's write that up here. 245. Tell me how to write that. 2. Yeah, how do I write it? 2,
4, 5.
2, 4 to 5. How is my picture going to look?
200.
And how do I draw hundreds?
Squares.
Squares. 2 hundredths. Okay, thank you.
4 tens.
And how do I draw tens?
9.
Okay, 4 tens. And
5 1.
how do I draw ones? Circles. Okay, there is our quick picture. Good job. Now, here's the next one. I want you to do this on your own. There are 458 sheets of plain paper by the computer table. Do 458 and draw the pictures. 458. Okay, all of yours have looked good. Boys and girls, I do want to discuss on these though. 245. What does the 4 mean in 245?
Tens.
Yeah, it's in the what place?
Tens.
And so that means there's 4 tens, which is 40. Okay. Now let's look at the 4 in this one, which I didn't write down. Okay. What's the 4 mean in this one? 400, right? 4 100s. It's in the hundreds place, right? Okay, are you guys starting to get used to the place values? If I had 128, the 8 is in what place? The ones. The 2 is in the, and the 1 is in the. Okay, you really have to remember where each place value is anywhere, okay? What about this, though? What about this, though? What's 6? It's in the ones. This is the ones still. The 1 on the very end is still the ones. And the 5 is in the tens. Because what number is this?
56.
You see, 50. 50 is a tenth number, right? 50 plus 6. 56. There's no hundreds, is there? You will always have a ones number. Always. It might be a 0 at some point,
But it's still 1.
but you will always have a ones.
9.
Okay? Yes, in the number 1. 1 is in the ones place. Okay? In the number 2. 2 is in the ones place. 3 is a ones number. 4 is a ones number. With their by themselves. 5 is a ones number. 6 is a ones number. 7 is a ones number. 8 is a ones number. 9 is a ones number. Once you get to 10, then you have tens. You don't have any tens before you get to 10. Okay? All right, next page.
Why is this math so easy today?
You don't know if it's easy or not. We'll see. Okay, boys and girls, the place of a digit in a number tells its value. The 3 the 3, and 327 has a value of 300s or 300. The 2 in the tens place has a value of 2 tens or 20. The 7 in 327 is in the ones place. It has a value of just 7 or 7 ones or 7. Okay? Now, boys and girls, when we are counting to 1,000 and we have blocks, you'd have 10 hundreds, 10 100ths blocks. So 10 of these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? 10 of these equals
1,000.
Yep, equals 1,000. Okay? That's what they're trying to show you. And how you make 1,000 is a big box. You can't call it, or, let's see, this is a square. You can't call it a square because it's actually a cube. Yes. Okay? 1,000 is a cube. Okay? I'm hoping you don't have to draw that. I'm not entirely sure how you do it. Nope, you don't have to draw it. Okay? Okay. The 1 is in the 1,000s place. We now have a new place. This 0 is in the ones place. This 0 is in the tens place. This 0 is in the hundreds place. And this 1 is in the thousands place. Okay? The 1 is in the thousand place and has a value of 1,000. All right, share and show. You're going to circle the value or the meaning of the digit that's in red. So number 1, the digit in red is what?
2.
Okay, does that mean 2 ones, 2 tens, or 2 hundreds?
2 1.
2 ones. It's in the ones place, right? It's in the ones place, right?
Yes.
Okay. Number 2. The 5 is in the what place?
10.
So does that mean 500, 50, or 5?
50.
50. And number 3. The 3 is in the what place?
100.
So does that mean 3 hundreds, 3 tens, or 3 ones?
300.
All right. Put a red star on this page. We did it together. Remember how to do red stars? Make an A up and down. Make an A up and down. Go over and up. Straight across. And down to the part that is not connected. There you go. Mailboxes. We'll do the next page. Okay, boys and girls, I'm going to let you do on your own. However, we are going to do the hot problem together and the backside together before you do on your own. Okay? All right, hot problem. Write the number that matches the clues. Here are the clues. First bullet point. The value of my hundreds digit is 300. What does that mean?
The 3 is going to be in the hundreds.
Yeah, the 3 is going to be in the hundreds place. So we can write that first, right? Oh, this one really isn't that hot. It's not that hard.
I know what it is.
Number 2. Or the second bullet point. Read it. The value of my tens digit is 0. So what does that mean? Zero's in the tens place, right? Okay, this is the only one that might be a little tricky. The third one, let's read it. The value of my ones digit is an even number greater than 7. Let's look at the numbers greater than 7. 7, 8, and 9. You can't go 10 because then you'd be in the tens place.
Yeah, so it's 8.
So which of these numbers, it's greater than 7, bigger than 7, so it's either 8 or 9. Which one's even, 8 or 9?
8.
8 is an even number. Next page, turn it over. Okay, let's read the story problem. Richard is making a Venn diagram. Guys, a Venn diagram is just these two circles that come together, and then they have something in the middle, okay? Where in the diagram should he write the other numbers? Okay, so in the green circle, boys and girls, the green circle means it has numbers with a 5 in the tens place. The green circle has a number with a 5 in the tens place. Okay? The purple circle means it has a number with a 2 in the hundreds place. In the middle of the green and purple circles means it has both of these things. It has a number in the 5 in the tens place and a 2 in the hundreds place. So let's look. They already did 152 for you. Next, we're going to do 215. Okay, does 215 have the 5 in the tens place?
No.
Okay. Does it have a 2 in the hundreds place?
Yes.
So what circle am I going to put this in?
Purple.
Purple. 215 will go in purple. You don't want to write them too big because you're going to have more than one number in that circle, guys. Okay. What's this number?
454.
Does it have a 5 in the tens place?
Yes.
Does it have a 2 in the hundreds?
Yes.
So what circle is it going in? Green. 454. All right. Read the next number to me.
257.
Does it have a 5 in the tens place?
Yes.
Does it have a 2 in the hundreds place?
Yes.
So where does it go? In the middle. 257. In the middle. It has both. Okay, I want to see if you guys can do the rest on your own. 3 more numbers. Okay, looks like you all have it. So what goes over here in this one, in the purple one? What number?
352.
What goes in the middle one?
250.
And what goes in the purple one?
255.
Okay. So you all have that. Now, number 12. Describe where 752 would be written in the diagram. Would it be in the green circle, the purple circle, or the middle circle? Explain our answer. 752. What circle would it go in? Everybody says green? Okay. 752